So now that you've got it installed and opened, you can see this, it looks like this. And what you can do is you can create a folder. So for that, I'm gonna use Physicwell because I'm on Linux. If you're on Windows, right click, create new folder, and there you go. So ls cd2 documents. Okay, I'm on documents. ls, please don't mind my typing speed. My hands are literally frozen right now. So you can type make dir and whatever you want to name it. In this case, I'm gonna name it Golang as well. mkdir Golang ls cd2 Golang. Sorry, ls, nothing's there. We don't even want it to be, and we are good to go. Now let me full screen it. Click on open folder and go to where you created the folder. So it's under documents and Golang. Open it up, click on the button, and we are probably in it. Okay, good. Next, click on this button to create a file. So like this, I click on it. Wait a second. Yeah, here you go, and type whatever you want to name. I'm gonna call it main.go. So the .go must be used every time you want to create a Go file. Golang is called Go insert, and it'll have this kind of icon even if you don't see it. After you've got it installed, that's not a big deal. Okay, so after main.go, hit enter. Good, go. So you can click on this Explorer button to hide it, and we are having a good screen with the main.go file in it. Next, if you have ever used Java, you might have seen that we've got to define a package. Similarly, here in Golang, we have to make a package called main. Really simple. Type package and main. That's it. I'm just, gonna be explaining what this does in the next video. If you're gonna get like 15 likes on the video, or else you can Google it. Googling is really great, Next, package main is done. Now we want to import something. Import fmt, and you cannot import it like this. You have to do it under double quotations. Now we are getting kind of red highlighting. That's because we've not used it. So to use it, we have to create a function. For creating a function, you can type func, and the name of the function, it's gonna be main. Every time you create a main function, please call it main as well. And now we can type fmt.println and give a quotation, and next thing that you can do is type whatever you want in this. Hello world. So this is a common line of code, and you've officially written your first Hello World program in Go. So let me explain what these things are doing in the program. First, we've got a package called main. That's a package, like we are using it. Click on this, highlight it, wait a second, right click, you can get some references if there are any. Main, it's the name of the package. Import, it usually stands for import itself. The word describes it, it's self-explanatory. So import means to import something, and in this case we are importing fmt. Probably this stands for format. Let me Google it. Sorry. Chromium. A second. And what does fmt stand for? Human doctor. Sorry, it's something different in Go. Okay, format package. Good. So this means formatting. I already told you. And if you want to import lots of things, you can do something like this, small braces, and then type fmd. Good. Now you can see that the red highlighting is just gone because we've used it here. And println, this is going to be used really too much in the program, but let me explain you what the func is. So if you're coming from any other programming language, you might have already got what this is. It is similar to def main, and like this in Python, or function main in this in JavaScript, or like public static void, main, not here, main string and args in this, like in Java, or some kind of function in C or C++, or whatever language you come from. Similarly, in Golang or Go, whatever you want to prefer to tell it, we have a syntax. Syntax is a way of writing a program. Func, we type func so that the program will know that we are kind of creating a function. And after the func, we give it a name. It's called main. Main is a function that we don't even have to call it. If you've used Python, there is something called constructor, like underscore init. Similarly, in this Golang, we've got something called main. This does not have to be executed once it has been defined or declared. After the name, we get some kind of small parentheses, and the parentheses do something like storing variable, like load. You can give a variable, and it'll be using the variable later on inside the function. Good. Next, the curly braces. It's really simple. The curly braces are those braces inside of which we write all the code that we've got to use it later on in the program. Simple. This is the code that's being executed in the function. Like if you do this, that's it. It's the function. But if you click on this button, you will see whatever is in the function. Now, I'll tell you something that's really cool, okay? First, I've got this program, and if I want to run it, what do? I go to terminal, probably this, and type ls to see what I've got. And if you're even on Windows, this time the command will be same, so you can type whatever I type. Let me clear the screen out for better view. ls. Now you see this main.go, it's the file name. Here we go, and you could type go run main.go. So go is the name of the language, and run, it tells us to command the language to get the thing running. And what do you want to get running? We want to get main.go running. So we type its name. It's also kind of syntax. So it says go. Hey go, you've got to do something. And what is it? It's called running. You want to run a file. What file, me? It's called main.go. Oh, thank you. I'm gonna do it with an enter. Okay. Whoa, what an error. It says expected package found EOF. What is it, me? I don't know, but I actually know. So this means it has been expecting package at the first line, like this, but we've got it. Why is it not running? I'm gonna tell you. And what is this? EOF. It's called end of file. It wanted package, but it found that the file has been ended at the first line itself. Why is this so? So to fix this, you have to save the file. So let me show you. Click on the file button, go down and down and down, under save all, click enter. Okay, we are good to go. Now we have saved it. After save, you can type the same command in the terminal and hit enter. Hello world. Yeah, good program, isn't it? Yeah, it is. So, if we make a change in the program, let's say fmt.println hi, it'll show you hi. But if you're not saving the program, like, okay, I'm not saving this, only one hi, but if you save and just rerun it, it'll give you 2 highs. Now next thing, FMT, what is this? FMT is a package in Golang that allows you to use some functions called println. Println, what does this mean? It means to display the things. And ln means align. Once you've displayed in a line, you cannot be displaying the same thing in the same line. You've got to go to the other one. Here we go. That's it. And inside of parentheses, like this is a function, right? Similarly, this is a function as well. And the use of this parentheses is to be getting some kind of variable, argument, parameters, or whatever you want to get in. Similarly, in this, we've got a parenthesis, and inside of this, the argument is whatever we type in. Whoa, great, isn't it? Yeah, it is. You could give a comma and type a number. It'll say to you. Whoa, great. You could type a decimal value as well, but probably this will not run. I know. 1 point like this, and it will run. 1.1. Save this, go there and hit enter. It'll work, but whenever this gets longer and longer, it does not work. Okay, simple, right? So this was the first Hello World program written in Go. If you liked the video, please do subscribe to the channel and hit a comment down below, and do not forget to share the video with your friends and loving ones. Till then, I'll see you in the next video, and you can get a completed goal of 15 likes to get another video up and running in YouTube very soon. That's it. See you in the next video.